Hi there, this is Maths with Angela doing a bit more on angles. This time we're doing angles, parallel lines. Now the telltale sign is that all of these have these arrows on them, which is telling you you can use your parallel line rules. Okay, so let me remind you of the parallel line rules. You have the alternate rule, the corresponding rule, co-interior rule, and then you have your other angles as well. Okay, vertically opposite, angles on a straight line, okay, which will be useful here. Okay, so not only am I going to write the angle calculation, I'm also going to write the rule, because often you're asked to write the rules. Okay, so with each of these you're going to write the angle and the rule that you've used from the initial angle they give you. Okay, so everything comes from the number they give you. Okay, so I'm going to start with this A3 one here. So I'm going to work out x first. Okay, so I'm going to draw all over this so you can see the shape. So here is my angle I've got to work out, and it's on this parallel line here. Okay, and here is my other parallel line here, and then I'm going to join them up with the line that connects those. Okay, and you can see I've got an F shape here. Okay, so that means the F shape is meaning I'm using the corresponding rule. Okay, so I'm using the corresponding rule to find x. Okay, and the corresponding rule says angles that are corresponding, so this one under the parallel line is the same as this one under the parallel line, and that's because of the corresponding rule. Okay, right, now there are different ways of getting to y, but the one step is that it's next to x on a straight line. Okay, so I've got my straight line rule here. So y is found by doing 180 minus 141. Okay, so that leaves me with 39 degrees. Okay, and my reason being would be the straight line rule. Okay, all right. Okay, let's have a look at B3. So we've got 26 here. Let me draw in my parallel line. So here's the parallel line it's on. Here's the other parallel line, and I'm going to connect them up. And you can see here I've got a C shape here. Yeah, so this is using my co-interior. So co-interior rule. Okay, now the co-interior rule doesn't say they're the same, it just says the two angles inside the parallel lines on the same side add up to 180. So if I do 180, take away 126, I will find out what x is. So my answer is x is 54 degrees. Okay then, right. Now y, again, is on a straight line with x, so I can write my straight line here. So what would you do? Pause and have a go. So yes, so you should have done 180 minus 54, which leaves you with 126 degrees. You could also got there because of the alternate rule. Okay, we'll do another one of those a bit later. Right, now what you might see here is an X shape, yeah? If I do this here, okay, oops, I haven't done that very well. So you see I'm following the lines and I'm making an X, yeah? So the angles that are opposite one another are the same. So this is also 126 because of the vertically opposite rule. Okay. Right, okay then. So I'm going to have a go at C4. So I've got my parallel lines here, and I've also got a parallel line here. Okay, but the angle I've got to get is the one over here. So I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to use my Z rule because I haven't used it yet. Okay, so my Z rule states, see, I can make this sort of on its side Z here. It states that this is the alternate rule. So either side of this line, these angles are alternate. Okay, so let me draw that again. So we've got our, yeah, so this is alternate in here. So this is also 133. because of the alternate rule. Okay, and then to work out x we have a straight line. Okay, so I've used the alternate rule and then the straight line rule. So do you want to pause and have a go? So you'll find that you do 180 minus 133, which leaves you with an angle of 47. Hopefully that's helpful. You have a go. Good luck. Bye.